Hi, Professor Signorelli. This is Rutul. I'm making a screen recording of my homework 5 because I won't be able to show it to you tomorrow on Friday. Um, but yeah, let me quickly walk through my code. Homework 5 has these 4 files and then config.properties. Basically, I just list like the key value pairs for server ports and then for server addresses. Same for remote manager ports, remote manager addresses, and then the middleware port and middleware address. The config loader file is what's responsible for just grabbing those properties and making sure that when, say, you start server 4, that it starts on port number 9004. And currently, all these IP addresses are the exact same, but that's just because I'm testing it locally. I could do it in the computer lab and change these IP addresses, and it has worked fine. I do have a pretty big flaw that I will get to later, but let me just start everything up to show you what does work currently. So say I start up server, I don't know, 1. So server 1 starts on port number 9001, just like up here. Then let me spin up a remote manager and say I'm going to start remote manager 0 because that's linked to server 0, 1, and 2. So that's on port number 9100. Then I will spin up the middleware, and that's running. And now I will finally spin up the client. So the client is already asking for a file name. So let me show you the output of all of these so you can get a sense of like the stack trace. Basically, in this directory right now, oh, that was from a previous test. But we have this file dog.txt, and let me show you what's in it. Basically, it just says, hello, this is a dog file, woof. Now over here, we are going to try to upload this file. And so the client is asking for this information. It's going to send it to the middleware. The middleware is going to send it over. It's going to hash the file name just like the homework 4, I guess. And it's going to send it to a remote manager. The remote manager is clever enough to check random alive servers, and it does that by sending this message as server live, basically a ping, I guess. And so right now I only have server 1 running, so it should be able to just send the request as server 1. Let me upload it. So it says routed to remote manager. So it got routed to the right remote manager, then it got routed to the right server because it's 9001. This is just saying the same information. Remote manager routed the request for file dog.txt to server 1 at this port, and server 1 received this request, and so now over here, I prepend all my files with the server number so that you can, like, if these were separate machines with like separate folders, you would be able to tell that this is the file that got uploaded. And so, yep, you could see right here that hello, this is a dog file, so it's the exact same file, or the contents are the same, sorry. Now let me show you, that's a bug, but let me show you the pretty big flaw in my homework. I wasn't able to get files to replicate across servers. Basically, I was running into issues where I don't know, for some reason I couldn't download / upload files in between servers. So if I commented these lines out, this was my process for sending the file name, sending the download, and then telling the current server to upload. Basically, I would send, like when a server came online, it would run this procedure, but it was running into errors, and so I can't show you that functioning. Besides that, I think that's about it. Let me try to see if I can show you anything else. This is where requests get handled by the server. Yeah, nothing really out of the ordinary here. Oh, random other live server number. This is kind of interesting. Same kind of protocol that I implemented over here, whereby I found random servers that were alive. Basically, continuously check this until a ping returns back true. Similar situation for servers replicating, and so when a server came online, basically you try to spam him with all of the files that he didn't have yet. Again, that's not working. But yeah, it looks like that's about it. That's all I can show you. If you'd like, I can come in on Monday to show you this, but yeah, there's not much more working here than just uploading files to servers and then downloading them again. Yeah, that's about it.